Hey there, neighbor.
Hey, Wilson, how you been?
Oh, been messing around in the garden.
Oh yeah, working in your garden, huh? How's that working out?
Well, not sure. I think I'm missing some things for my garden.
Really? You're missing things from your garden now? Wow. First your chicken, now stuff from your garden?
Yep, yep. I had my eye on this prize eggplant, but it turned up missing.
Eggplant? No, no. Don't know anything about eggplant.
Hmm. What you cooking this week?
Well, it's funny that you mentioned you're missing eggplant because I'm cooking eggplant parmesan.
Hmm. Well, you'll have to show me how you make eggplant parmesan.
Yeah. You want to see how I make my eggplant parmesan? Yeah. Oh, well, follow me along in this video.
My God, what did you eat?
There you go, Wilson. This is my latest. Check it out. Boy, I sure hope you find your garden thief. Be ashamed to lose all your produce. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Just remember, when the going gets tough, the tough find something to eat. The best way to do that is to cook it yourself. Homestead kitchen living, making cooking fun again. Please remember to like, subscribe, share it with a friend. Thanks again for watching.